Today, we have something exciting for you as we take a detailed look at the top 8 football players' cars. These incredible athletes not only dominate the pitch, but they also drive some of the most luxurious and powerful cars out there. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel Top 4 Cars and watch the video till to the end. Sergio Ramos. Kicking off our list at number 8 is none other than Sergio Ramos, the former Real Madrid and current Paris Saint-Germain defender. Ramos is known for his aggressive playing style, and it's no surprise that his car of choice is the sleek and powerful Lamborghini Aventador. This beast of a car features an unmistakable angular design, iconic scissor doors, and a roaring V12 engine that propels it from 0 to 60 in a breathtaking 2.9 seconds. It's a true symbol of speed and prestige that perfectly matches Ramos' intensity on the field. Pierre-Emerick has to be his chrome, wrapped Lamborghini Huracan. This Italian masterpiece combines striking looks with mind-blowing performance. With a top speed of 201 mph and a 5.2-liter V10 engine under the hood, it's a true showstopper that reflects Aubameyang's penchant for extravagance. Paul Pogba. Rolls Wraith, a luxurious coupe that exudes elegance and class. This British masterpiece is handcrafted to perfection, with a stunning Starlight headliner, sumptuous leather interiors, and a monstrous V12 engine that glides effortlessly on the road. It's a true symbol of opulence that matches Pogba's refined taste. Cristiano Ronaldo coming in at number 5 is Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest footballers of all time, and also one of my favorite footballers. Ronaldo is no stranger to luxury, and his car collection is a testament to that. While he owns several stunning vehicles, one that stands out is his Bugatti Veyron. This hypercar needs no introduction, as it represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. With a mind-boggling top speed of over 250 mph in a quad, turbocharged with 16 engine, the Veyron is a true masterpiece that matches Ronaldo's relentless drive for success. Neymar Jr., our next player on the list, is Neymar Jr., the Brazilian superstar who currently plays for Paris Saint-Germain. Neymar's car collection is as flashy as his skills on the field, but his most notable ride is the McLaren P1. This limited production hypercar combines jaw-dropping looks with electrifying performance. With a hybrid powertrain producing a staggering 903 horsepower, the Pone can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. It's a statement of power and speed that perfectly matches Neymar's breathtaking style of play. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, number 3 on our list, is Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the charismatic Swedish forward who has played for some of the biggest clubs in Europe. Zlatan's larger-than-life personality is mirrored in his choice of car, the Ferrari Enzo. This limited edition beauty is a true collector's dream, with its jaw-dropping design, carbon fiber body, and a roaring V12 engine that produces 651 horsepower. It's a symbol of power and exclusivity, just like the man himself. Kylian Mbappe at number 2. We have the speed demon himself, Kylian Mbappe. The young French prodigy is known for his lightning-fast pace, and his car of choice reflects that. Mbappe zooms around in a stunning Aston Martin Valkyrie, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of performance and technology. With a jaw-dropping design inspired by Formula One, a 6.5-liter V12 engine, and advanced aerodynamics, the Valkyrie is a true masterpiece that matches Mbappe's electrifying speed on the field. Lionel Messi, and finally taking the top spot on our list, is none other than Lionel Messi, the Argentine maestro. Messi's car collection is as awe-inspiring as his footballing skills, but his prized possession has to be his Pagani Zonda. This Italian masterpiece is a true work of art, combining beauty, speed, and precision. With its carbon fiber body, a monstrous ANG V12 engine, and breathtaking performance, the Pagani Zonda represents the epitome of automotive perfection. It's a reflection of Messi's unparalleled talent and unmatched style. And that's our list of the top 8 football players' cars. These athletes not only dominate the football world, but also have an impeccable taste in automobiles. Which car would you choose if you were a football superstar? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.